action. Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can upload a thumbnail to your YouTube video. It's a simple job, anyone can do that. Trust me, after watching this video, inshallah you'll be able to upload a thumbnail to your YouTube video. So a lot of parents will be asked that why you choose this easy topic. It's very easy peasy. I also know that it's very easy busy job, but if you think so, every single day a new creator is come to YouTube and make his own YouTube channel. As a beginner, I didn't know that how I can upload a thumbnail to my YouTube channel, so it's also a big scandal for me. That's why I suggest that I'm gonna make a video on it and solve big scandal of you guys. So it's very easy busy job, don't worry about anything. And if you are a new content creator and watching this video, congrats from me towards you once again. So without squandering your precious time, let's go towards the video. So here we go guys, this is my mobile screen, and now you have to go and open your Chrome browser. Okay, after opening that Chrome browser, the most important thing is you must start to log in that one account which you have already made your YouTube channel. Okay, this is the most important thing. Then you have to click on the search bar and search here YT Studio or YouTube Studio and hit enter. After entering, you can see here the first one website. Okay, click on the first one website, YouTube studio.youtube.com, and here we go. This is the YouTube dashboard of your YouTube channel. Now what you have to do, little bit zoom, and you can see here this is the content option, the where you saw the logo, the red one, which now red one. Click on that, and when you click on it, directly all the content which you have already uploaded to your YouTube channel will come in front of you. Now what you have to do, simply click on the video which you have uploaded right now, and you can see here the setup option. Okay, now you can see here the pin like option. This is the edit option. Okay, logo of edit. So click on it, and when you click on it, after clicking on it, there we go. All the video the editing which you want to do in the video, you can do that, like a title. This is, you can sit right there, a title, and you can, this is the description of your video. Okay, this is, and what is our purpose, little bit scroll, and after scrolling, this is the main thing. You can see here the thumbnail. So the thumbnail, you can upload a thumbnail here right now, and what you have to do, simply click on this upload thumbnail. So it will give you the three options: photo library, take photo, choose file. You can also file from it, choose from files and from your photo library. So what you have to do, click on photo library, and there we go. These all are the photos which these all are the thumbnail in my gallery, okay, which I have already made. Click on it, and I've already told you that the most important thing is its size is must less than 2 MB. Okay, if this is greater than 2 MB, so your YouTube or thumbnail will be not upload to your YouTube channel. Okay, this is the most important thing. Now click on choose option, and there we go, your YouTube thumbnail as added to your YouTube video. Okay, this is a simple method, easy peasy job, and anyone can do it. Now what you have to do is click on save option, that one, the blue color, and the way the thumbnail will be saved. Okay, everybody, I hope that you will love this video, and if this video is a little bit informative for you, so make sure to hit the thumb to the video as well, and press the bell icon as well for receiving the further more informative videos like this. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye.